minutes, I'm going to walk you through the features of CYTK's new Smart Search app. Let's begin with just some general navigation. As you'll see in the center of the screen, we have CYTK Smart Search keyword. All you need to do is type in a keyword and select one of the repair categories. In the lower menu, we have our vehicle information, including recall. Next, we have history, chronological list of interactions with CYTK. In the center there, that is the magnifying glass that opens and closes your keyword search. Next to that is our quick view. We have up to 5 different content summaries. And then in the lower right there, that's access to our voice menu. Let's begin by bringing a vehicle into context. So I go to the vehicle list, and here I'm going to scan a VIN. I just locate the door sticker, zoom in on that plate, use photo. This takes a second, and if it can decode it, it'll go directly to the Smart Search. In this case, it needs the trim level, add a vehicle, and there we are. Now all searches will be unique to that vehicle. Let's begin with a keyword search. Let's say we're looking for engine oil type. So engine oil, type that in, do a search. Let's say we're looking for that oil capacity. There it is, the first one. And there you go. So let's do something a little more sophisticated. Let's say we're looking for front engine cover gasket. There's engine, gasket, type that in. And there's your front engine cover gasket. Then it returns your procedure. Now, in all CYTK procedures, we provide 3 different components. We have the step-by-step instructions from the OEM. In the bottom part there, we have the figures. So you can click on any of those and pinch and zoom. I can close those out. And at the very top, this is industry first, where we actually take your search criteria and the vehicle and provide a link to up to 10 different YouTube videos. So great option for you there. So now let's say you want to get an estimate for that front engine cover gasket. So I'm just going to switch over there. There it is. Let's click on that. And it's going to return you the retail labor time, the OEM part number, and the OEM MSRP pricing. Now let's look for a wiring diagram. I'm going to clear that. And let's say I'm looking for steering controls. Steering control. There it is. And again, with these wiring diagrams, you can just pinch and zoom. There's the power steering control module. Now let's say you're looking for where is that located. Let's go to figures, search on that steering control module. There's the power steering control module. And again, pinch and zoom. Now you know exactly where that module is located if you have to do a pinpoint test. Now let's move over to Technical Service Bulletins. Let's assume that we've done a diagnostic and we have a P code. So now we're going to type in P0234, do a search. There's 2 bulletins. Click on the first one. And there you have the OEM Technical Service Bulletin. Again, easy as clicking and zoom in on what you're looking for there. If you're looking for the part number, very helpful information. So just one more thing, I just wanted to show you the quick view. Like I said, a lot of summaries. Just to give you an example, if I was looking for, let's say, brake rotor discard thickness, just go to the summary and there it is. Now I'd like to just move over to the voice search. As you'll notice, we've moved CYTK voice search to a beta status as we continue to improve our AI to better recognize natural language questions and link directly to an expanded subset of OEM content. We've done a lot of work within the areas of fluid specs and light repair, and I'd like to show you what we call some of our quick hitters. So I just tap on the mic, engine oil type, there it is. How do I reset the engine oil light? There's the procedure. Estimate to replace drive belt. There's the estimate. Front brake rotor replacement procedure. And there's your procedure. Engine air filter part number. And there's the part number. So that's it for now. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about CYTK's Mobile Assistant. If you'd like to learn more, you can go to cytek.io.